4. The basic model 3D surface marking. Marking text on cylindrical products. Enter text, change the size and angle of the text according to the marking object and center it. Select the text, set the 3D param, select the model that matches the marking workpiece. Set model size, click below the Z plane.
Set the marking parameters.
Click Preview, click Mark and Exec, start marking. Five. Import the model and mark. Marking vector illustration on cylindrical products. First, add mold, switch to 3D view. Select the mold, move mold, place the mold to center and below the Z plane. Switch to 2D view, import vector graphics, adjust size and position. Select the graphics to set the marking parameters, and check Fill. Different marking parameters can be added by setting pass times. Set pass -2 to less power, and tick Fill. Set fill parameters. Select all graphics, set 3D param. Check Enable, select the imported model, click Coated, and apply. Switch to 3D interface to ensure graphics wrapping effect. Switch the 2D view, click Preview. Preview the position of the red light, and start marking. We can see that each graphic is marked twice. The first time is marked with high power, and the second time is cleaned with low power.